Another day, another panel. It's not raining today, so that's a bonus. This is what I came up with the fuse block. So I've got my wire here coming from the truck. This will be the wires in the trailer, and then I've just quick sealed my fuse box in there, and I can still access the fuses and stuff through this little hole, and it's recessed and out of the way, so it's not sticking in here. Still not sure where I'm going to put the access panel, but we can think about it in a bit. There's those lights wired up. Turn this off. It's off. It's on. And this guy's wired up. Alright, so I'm through my entire can of leak seal. I've done one side, and then I went in and cut in this edge, this upper edge here, because what's been happening with this trailer is that the water seems to come down the sides and then it rolls around, gets to the plywood. So I have some cans of leak seal. I was hoping to use these on something else, but I think it's more important to do this. So I'm going to give this a go and we'll see how it goes. See if it's easier. If you look at that, I think that looks pretty good. Seems pretty uniform, and I think that's going to protect the bottom of this pretty well. Lots has happened in the last week. I didn't get to record quite everything that I did in this trailer, but we took it out camping for the first time because we were on a bit of a deadline and we needed to get it done. So we got the paneling up, we got the lights done, we hooked up a solar panel to a battery outside. That battery outside powered everything. It worked fantastic. And as you can see behind me here, we have a mattress that we fold up kind of like into a couch, and then this can fold down into a bed. We cut some plywood to go across, and we did the carpet. I still need to do some trim, but as far as it's concerned, this trailer's usable at the moment, so I think that's where I'm probably going to leave it for a while. I do need to do some more trim, like I said, but you know, I think I'm going to enjoy it, and then come fall I might finish up the trim. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate it. I'll give you a quick tour of this of the work that I've done and all the stuff that we have in here. So we'll do that now. So this is the setup that we kind of used. We got this mattress from an IKEA bed, and we would keep this up when we were parked. We would fold it down so that you could see out the back. We've got the carpet put on the sides here, and then like I said, under here we just got some 3/4 inch plywood, cut it to size, and then that's what supports our bed. You can see there's two pieces there. They come out, and then this bed folds flat. The window trim I managed to salvage on this side. I needed to cut the thing a little bigger, but I did manage to get it in. However, I lost the screws, so this side's not quite done. I need to do that, and then up there needs to be trimmed out as well, and then around the door too. Also need to put some trim in the corners, some trim up at the top just to cover the gaps. And then I need to fix that corner. We were probably going to put some bungees or something up there in the future. What else did we do? Well, we put some hooks down here. These hooks, we just use some bungee cords and they can hold our stuff, which worked out really great. It stopped things from bouncing around too much. This was the solar panel. And then I had my battery just sitting in a milk crate like that. And that's what I used. But anyhow, guys, like I said, really appreciate it. It's really, really hot in here. This trailer's kind of sitting in the sun and the windows are closed. So like I said, I really appreciate you guys watching this, and hopefully I'll post more towards the end of summer. But in the meantime, I'm going to kind of enjoy this thing. So have a good one.